got my makeshift classroom with my whiteboard here. Let's do some multiplication practice and showing visuals for our multiplication facts. Hopefully you've still been practicing and you memorize some, but if you get stuck and you didn't memorize some, remember these are the ways that we can figure them out. You don't always have to do all the ways, but on your homework today we're going to ask you to do 5 problems in 2 different ways to prove that you're right. So it might be easy for you and you might know it's right, but I want you to show me a visual or a picture to prove it, okay? Let's start with 2 times 5. And a couple times I might ask you a question. If you need more think time, pause the video so you can have more think time to answer that question or get it written down. If you haven't already, get a piece of paper and maybe pause the video and write down, just like I do, 4 squares on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper and a pencil. So just make an X and label turnaround facts, equal groups, arrays, and repeated addition. Okay, so hopefully you've unpaused and you're ready to go. Turnaround fact for 2 times 5. Well, the opposite of that is going to be 5 times 2. Not going to solve it yet, even though we know that's a pretty simple one. Let's go over to equal groups. How can we show that in a picture? Remember, our multiplication symbol actually says groups of, so 2 groups of 5. I need 2 groups with 5 things in them. Whatever symbols you want to use. I'm going to use X's today. 2 groups of 5. I could show 5 groups of 2, but this one's a little easier. All right, remember what our arrays look like. Let's do arrays for 2 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our last one is repeated addition. I can say 5 plus 5. 2 groups of 5, 5 2 times, or 5 groups of 2, which is going to be the number 2 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go back just to solve it. I know 2 groups of 5 is 5, 10. And I know I can count up by 2s to get up to 5 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Are you ready to try on your own? So just erase these spots. Let's try practice one on your own. Let's do my favorite, 3 times 4. All right, what is the turnaround fact for 3 times 4? Write yours on your whiteboard. So not 3 times 4, but 4 times 3. All right, and then equal groups. I want to show either 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 3. Pause the video and pick which one you want to do. I'm going to do 4 groups of 3 for mine. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many should I put in here? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good? All right, let's check for our arrays. So arrays have to be equal rows. So this one I'm going to do 3 rows of 4. You pick which one you're going to do, pause the video and do it on your own, and then check back in with mine. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? All right, repeated addition. I could use any of these to do it. Let's use this picture. I'm adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I'm going to use 3 4 times. All right, now let's find our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all of these are 12. Okay, so in your homework today, you've got 5 questions. I want you to pick 2 ways to show them. Do a turnaround fact and repeated addition, or an array and an equal group. Your choice. Just choose 2 ways to prove that you know your answer. Good? Good. Have a great day.